Creative Composites Group is innovating the future of FRP. We're pioneering the use of advanced materials for the infrastructure of the future. CCG is defining the cutting edge of FRP innovation, engineering, and manufacturing. With design, build, and manufacturing expertise, we're advancing FRP for infrastructure, providing highly engineered composites systems. Our dedicated team of engineers and technicians have been testing and developing durable, lightweight, and cost-effective FRP products for structurally demanding applications for more than 60 years. Many of CCG's products have paved the way for first-time use of engineered FRP composites across demanding infrastructure markets, including utility and telecom, architecture and building products, bridges, waterfront and marine, electrical products, water and wastewater, cooling towers, mass transit, and rail. Combining CCG's high-performance team with FRP's high-performance attributes enables us to continue to engineer products that outperform traditional materials. The future of infrastructure is CCG for FRP.